This video opens with ingredients used to make ice cream cookie sandwiches, a popular offering from Cherry on Top, Carnival's delightful sweet shop. Opening text: ice cream cookie sandwiches, Cherry on Top. Ingredients are placed around a mixing blender. Text: 4 ounces of butter, 2.5 ounces of sugar, and 2.5 ounces of brown sugar. The ingredients are put into the blender's bowl. Text: blend, blend, blend. An egg and a teaspoon of vanilla are added to the batter. The blending continues as more ingredients are placed next to the blender. Text: 0.5 ounces of cocoa, 8 ounces of flour, and a half a tablespoon of baking soda. Now, these ingredients are added to the batter. The blending continues. Then 6 1-ounce pieces of batter, with chocolate chips added, are placed on a cookie sheet. Text: chill for 2 hours. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. A thick scoop of vanilla ice cream is placed between 2 of the freshly baked cookies. The sides are covered with colorful sprinkles. 2 of the delicious ice cream sandwiches brought out to be displayed. At Carnival's Cherry on Top. A logo: the Carnival Shiphorn.